Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 9K word problems. So, here we will solve some questions which is based on the word problems of the decimal numbers. Here, exercise 9K. First question, Nilu jogged 4.35 kilometers on Monday. On Tuesday, she jogged 1.38 kilometer more than on Wednesday. It means Nilu jogged on 4.35 kilometer on Monday, but she jogged more 1.38 kilometer than Monday. Okay, on Tuesday she jogged more than the Monday. So altogether means like on Tuesday how much distance he covered, and total combining means Monday and Tuesday what is the total distance he traveled jogged. Okay, so that we have to find out. So let's solve the question number 1. So first question we are going to solve. So first number 1. So here we will write like this: on Monday jog total. So Monday jogged. Okay, so on Monday she jogged 4.35 kilometer. Okay, now on Tuesday jogged. So on Tuesday she was more means 4.35 on Monday, and more than this 1.38. Okay, so if we add these two value, we will get that the total distance he covered on uh, so 8 plus here is 3, so 70, it will be 5.73. when you will add it, you will get 5.73, okay, kilometer. So this distance 5.73 she jogged on Tuesday only. Okay, and on Monday it is 4.35 kilometer. Okay, now we have to also calculate total distance means combine both Monday and Tuesday. So total distance jogged in both day, total distance jogged in both days. So total distance, so first on Monday 4.35 and on Tuesday 5.73. So we will add these two. So 4.35 kilometer, okay, and 5.73 kilometer. These two we will add. Okay, so after adding you will get, here will be the kilometer plus kilometer, it will be same unit. So 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 4 plus 5 9 plus 1. So the total distance was 10.08 kilometer she traveled combinedly both days. Okay, total 10.08 kilometer. Got it? Okay, now next we will solve question number 2. Let's see the question number 2. So here is the number 2. Number 2, you can see a tank is full of water. After 12.5 liter of water is used and 6.85 liter of water is still left. How much water was there in full? Means it was used, okay, from the tank it was used, it was taken out, and it is remaining there, it is there. So this, so total we have to find out. Total how you will find? So if we add this used and remaining, so you will get the used one, total water. So that question number 2, here I'm saying, so you can write water in full tank. Okay, water in full tank. So it will be, so you can add like this: water used, okay, water used plus water still left. Okay, so whatever the water left plus used, if we add these two, so we can get the total. So it was used was 12.5 liter plus 6.85 liter. So it is in the horizontal wise, so you can write in the column wise also. So it is in the row wise, so write in the column wise 5.50 liter plus 6.85 liter. Okay, so now we can add it these two value. So you can put extra 0, there is a blank space, so liter plus liter, liter only. So it will be 5, 13, 9, 1. So total was 19.35 liter. Got it? So simply you can add and get the value. Okay, so this is your answer, 19.35 liter. Understood? Okay, now next question number 3. Okay, 3. Harry jumped 1.27 meter in a high jump. Sunil jumped 1.19 meter. Who jumped higher? By how much? Means Harry jumped this much, 1.27, and Sunil 1.29. First of all, we have to compare between who jumped higher, either Harry or Sunil. So you can see that it is 1.27, it is 1.19. So of course, if you compare these two, 1.27 and 1.19, so you will get this is the greater number. So of course, Harry jumped more than the Sunil jumped. So the first one we got. So now by how much? Means their difference we have to find out. Means we will subtract it. Okay, so let's solve this question. This is number 3. Okay, so first of all, it means first is that Harry jumped. Okay, and there is, so the Harry jumped 1.27 meter. Okay, now this side you can write, the one box you can put. Now that side Sunil jumped. Okay, Sunil jumped. So Sunil jumped was 1.19 meter. So now you can compare these two. Here is the one, here is the one, because we are comparing from the leftmost stream, from there we started. So 1 1, no comparison. There is a 2, here is the 1. Of course, this is the greater number. So means Harry's jump is greater than the Sunil jump. So that's the first answer we got, the first conclusion. Okay, so likewise you have to write. Now second, by how much? It means there we have to find the difference. Okay, so we have to find the difference of their jump. Difference of Harry and Sunil jumped. Okay, so their difference we have to find. So we will subtract these two. So first 1.27 meter minus 1.19 meter. So subtract these two. So when you will subtract, so that will be the difference. So here meter you can write. Now here you will be 8. You can take the borrow. You know it. So there is a 0. Here is also 0. So 0.08 meter is the difference between Harry's jump and Sunil's jumps. Okay. So that's the answer. Okay. First of all, we have to compare whose jump is higher, then after their difference. Okay, now next question, number 4. Alok has a cow and buffalo. The buffalo gives 23.640 liter of milk and the cow gives 16.875 liter of milk every day. Which one cow or buffalo give more milk and by how much? So it is same like question number 3. You can do it by yourself. First, just you see that so of course buffalo is giving more milk than cow. Okay, then after you find the difference, you just subtract these two value. So do it by yourself. Question number 4 is same like question number 3. Okay, now number 5. In May 1954, Roger Bannister became the first person to run a mile in less than 4 minutes. So he was run a mile in the less than 4 minutes. Okay, he ran 4 laps in means like in the 4 installment. He ran in the first lap 57.5 second, 60.7 second, 62.3 second and 58.9 second. So here the first question, what is his total time? So total time means this all given time we will add. Okay, so let's solve number 5. So here number 5. So number 5 will be here, like here I'm having number 5. So total time, number A. Okay, so total time, so it's a total time will be all the given laps. So there all laps we will add. So first was 57.5 second. Okay, second was 60.7 second, third 62.3 second. Okay, and the fourth was 58.9 second. So these are the laps he has done. This in this time slot he run. So now second, here we can write the common unit second. Now 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9. So here is it will be 4 2. So 9 plus 8. So here will be again 9. So here will be 5 plus 6 7. So here will be 23. So it is total 239.4 second. It was the time, total time he was took. Total time he take 239.4 second. Okay, to complete the 1 mile distance. Now second question, by how much time did he break 4-minute barrier? 4-minute barrier means at the last, means 4-minute barrier. Which one is the 4-minute barrier? Means the last one. So you can see this is the 4-minute barrier is here 60.7. Sorry, no, it is 4-minute barrier is the 60, and the next is 59.4 is the barrier. Okay, so here you can see, means it is asking by how much did he break 4-minute barrier. Means there are total time slot is like that, 1 minute slot, second minute, third minute, and fourth minute slot. Total is of 1 minute. This slot is of 1 minute of each slot. Okay, so now first of all, total time, how much time he has taken. So total time you can just see it, it has taken, you just see the fourth. So first of all, whatever this we got 239.4 second. So you can do it here, you just divide 239.4 second by the 60. Okay, why 60? Because the 239.4 second we cannot write, because the maximum value of second is 60 second in a 1 minute. So it's better we divide the 60 to make the minute. Okay, now 3 times you will divide it, so it will be 180. So 180, so here will be 9, here will be 5, here will be 4. So now you can write it 3 minute. Okay, 3 minute 59.4, this is 39 point and 33 minute 39.54 second. This is your answer. Okay, now in question number B, it is asking that in the question number B of the same question, so what is the time barrier of the fourth one? So in 1 minute how many second? 60 second. Okay, so 60 second. Okay, you write the 60 second, and this was already it was lapsed. It was lapsed means total how many minutes? I told that total it was 4. It was earlier how many minutes? It was the time lapse was 4. 1 minutes was there. Okay, so 3 minute already lapsed. 1 2 3. So what is left? This one is left. So this one is actually 1 minute, and this 1 minute is nothing but it is the 60 second. This is the 60 second. Okay, this 1 minute here it is 60 second. This 1 minute is that your 60 second. Okay, now this 60 second and this given 59.4, you can find the difference between these two. Okay, so whenever you will find the difference, so here you write here 59.4 second. Okay, because 3 minutes is already lapsed, so fourth one is there, and that so now you just find out the difference. So here will be second, so here will be 6. Okay, so now here it will be you just check that. So actually, so sorry, here I did mistake. This no, this is the 59.4. So 4 will be here. Okay, here will be 0. Okay, here I did mistake. So now you can just do it. Here will be 0. Okay, now here will be 6. Okay, now this is nothing but 0. Now you can say that it is how much second? So your answer is 0.6 second. Okay, because you can check that this is the here total was 59.4, here it was 59.4 and 60. Okay, so you can check that here also it was 59.4, so that's why we write here 59.4 and it's a difference. Okay, so that is the answer of number B. Okay, now last question we will do, that is number 6. Okay, in a dividing competition, sorry, in a diving competition, Pramod scored 44.56 and 38.27 and 54.26 point. Rajiv scored 52.26, 34.76 and 50.37. Who won and by how much? So first of all we will add the individual scores and find the difference. So question number 6, let's solve. So number 6. Okay, so first of all we will write the Pramod total score of Pramod, total of Pramod. Okay, so Pramod total score, it was 44.56, 38.27 and 54.26. It was the Pramod's score. Now we will add this to these three, so you can get, when we will add, you will get 137.09. so this is the score of Pramod. So now again we will find the score of next one, who is, that is Rajiv. So total score of Rajiv, total score of Rajiv, so it will be, so write 52.26, 34.76 and lastly 50.37. okay, now we will add. So when you will add this, so when you will add, you will get 137.39. so you can check that whose score is more, 137.09, here is the 137.39. so of course Rajiv won. So here Rajiv won. Okay, Rajiv won. Why? Because you can check that Rajiv score is 137.37, which is greater than, what is the score of Pramod? It was 137.09. okay, so of course Rajiv won. By how much? So we will find the difference. So difference of their points, so their difference of their point will be 137.39 minus 137.09. okay, so that difference we will get, so it will be 0, here will be 3, here will be 0 0. so what we got? We got 0.30 point. okay, so by this point he won. okay, so likewise you can do. okay, so solve exercise 9K.